do a volcano. And we're going to show you how the volcano is made. First, we need soap, vinegar, a little of sodium bicarbonate or baking soda, and a funnel, and a little spoon. So you can grab some.
Okay.
So now we start with baking
Can you
soda.
explain me what is that?
This is the land. This is the land. And this is the volcano. The land can also be named tectonic plates. The tectonic plates press together to make a mountain that can also make a volcano. So now we first baking soda.
Yes, but you have to put the funnel.
And we need the funnel first so it cannot spread in the other places.
Okay, Elisa, take 2 spoons and look at 2 spoons.
Don't worry, don't worry. I will get
You
that.
can move that like that. Only one person.
Now
Good
one
job.
more and then look two. There you go. And now two. Luke will do 2 more. Well, we can make some glass. The green one there, and then there. 1 more. We can do 2. Whoa. Oh, this technique also works.
Oh guys, we need another something. What? Color.
Oh yeah, we need a color.
Yes.
I know where is the color. Okay, search it. Go search it. Okay.
Oh, it's there.
I got it.
That's the color. That's on food, but it works. We won't eat it. This is not food. No, not now. Not now. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can use
One
now.
loop
But
and one
first,
One loop and 1 loop.
close.
Oh yeah, we need to close it so it cannot spread. When we truck it, so it cannot spread. 1 me and 1 Luke. No, 2 you, 2 me.
Okay.
I'll do 2. We can get this off.
Without that.
Together. Stefan will go straight. 1
More.
and 1 more. 2. Now Luke. 1, 2. That was easy. I think more. No, but I think yes. Now we need soap. Luke will put the soap for us, and I will put the water. We need the funnel so it cannot spread. Funnel. Let me grab it. Oh yeah, it looks like venomous. Bruh. Oh, bruh. I think we put a lot of soap, but then we put more soap than, well, soda. But now, let me see if this goes down. So I can put the other thing. Now we'll put the vinegar. We can hold it.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, look the funnel. The volcano No, we need to get this off. Oh my! No! It will drop. It will drop. It will drop. It will drop. We thought this will keep this out. Let me see. Oh, this is so cool. This feels like soap.
It's hot.
It's not
The
hot.
floor is lava. It's lava. Guy, you have to explain that lava is not cold. It's very
very hot, and you can die. You can die if you touch. But this is not real lava, so it is not hot.
And if you have near of the volcano and this happen, you have to run away because you can die.
Yeah, you can die. Look, can you try it? Can you try it? Yeah. Now, I tried. Me too. Brown. This is fun. Hey, try it. I'm gonna try it. 4 tectonic plates. Ah, the tectonic plates is there. Oh, it's destroying. I can feel the tectonic plates. That's destroying.
Wait.
This is.
Okay, guys, you have to say bye.
Oh yeah, bye. Hope you like this video. Wow.